the guard, dude. Hold outside, spread. We might get clapped.
Alos, pupunta naman.
Gago, sakit nun ah. Grabe, kinilig niya ako.
Hologram.
Demon. Heal front agad. Yo, healers, you have to wake up kasi they're bombing my tanks, okay? We're not counter-engaging. Just healers, just watch it. Just watch the front. Careful, don't stay on that choke.
May bridal bomb.
May bomb sa likod mo ah. Meron sa likod mo.
Bridal bomb.
Meron. 6 to. Ay, hindi mga shooter. Ano
Watch lang. Yo, kill this guard here.
Oh, meron.
Spread. Don't stay on the choke, Don't stay on the choke. Ready demons. How many percent you get? 50. Yo, get ready to engage north side, Get ready, Wait lang. Demon. Comes out. Wag mo na kayo mag-engage. How many seconds? How many yung percent engage? Tell me.
20.
Okay.
10.
Yo, stop bonky at 5%. Stop bonky. Okay, never mind.
Ano yung bomb yan?
Yo, wait.
Oo nga. Pero solo
come northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Okay, come back.
Meron na.
Ready? Cleanse agad dun. Pag ganun.
Mga yan.
Reset your cooldown.
Oo, yan yung kaninang tumaray dito.
Glacial without any beam. Momotaro, don't stay on the fucking glacial. You nigga. Hello, motherfucker.
GG.
Come north. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side. Then kite back. Cleanses on everyone. Cleanses. Keep coming. Keep cleansing. Yo, ready demons. Yo, EV. Yo, demon. Yo, kill us. West side. Catch it. Nag-miner. Patay nyo.
Hindi
Walang miner.
Abulin niya para hindi tayo mabang mamaya. Come not.
Sa harap ko.
Reset your cooldown. Come not. You have cooldowns?
Ready.
Yo, step up. Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north. Kite back. Yo, cleanse on us. Okay, cleanse on us. Kite back. It's fine. Kite back. Yo, help my tanks in the front. Actually, can we just engage over the wall na lang? My tanks, can you just just stay at the gate here. Okay, don't get bombed. I'm gonna stay like northwest over the wall. Can my healers like support me and my guardians support me? We're gonna risk some shit, man. Because fuck it.
Diyan tayo dito si Lux ah.
Yo, spread south pa.
Healing. Di na nga ako nag-OC eh.
Yo, Marlika, get ready, okay? Marlika, get ready. Wait. Ba't yung glacial nila naka-Judy?
Baliw.
Para makuna.
Baliw yan, gago.
Dep tank yan doy.
Yo, Marlika, shallow over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow over the wall. Ay, gago ng purity.
May PBX. Ano ito mga to? May gano'n na sa likod mo.
Patay yung glacial. Mamamatay yung glacial. Okay,
Mugi may papasok sa inyo.
Reset. Puppy pots, defenses. Comes out. Anong papasok sa akin? Saan?
Hindi, wala. Dito mo lang.
Okay. Reset, do you have cooldown?
Ready.
Step up north. On over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Then kite back. Full demon. Yo, help everyone in the front. Help everyone in the front. Come back. Yo, defenses now. Okay, come back. Tangina, sikip na space natin dito. Gago, matapang ba kayo, guys?
Tara.
Do.
I-only nyo na yan.
Matapang ba kayo, guys? Do you have potions? Tell me if you have potions first, okay?
Meron.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Yo, wait. Just stay there. Don't come yet. Just wait. Okay, I see them, okay? Yo, listen, they're at the northwest tower. Am I not mistaken? Okay. Just brawl these tanks inside, ah. We're gonna kill these tanks northeast, ah. These tanks only, ah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These tanks only. Kill the tanks. Okay, bawasan muna natin tanks nila bago tayo mag-engage. Reset your cooldown. Glacial, that's a glacial with a fucking Judy.
What the fuck?
Reset. How many seconds?
Ready na yan, Sage.
Step up.
Nakalimutan.
Step up. Ready your potion. Poppy pots. Deep northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest. Umi. Kite back. Baka mag-turn sa atin. Kite back. Death tanks, don't be too deep, death tanks. Yung occult ko ano pa dun? Reset. How many seconds? Reset. I see all of them. Walk north. We go deep north. 5, deep north. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north. Then kite back south. Kite back south. Cleanses. You have...
Nagmamount up na iba.
Okay. Come southwest.
Ay, yo.
Come southwest.
Hindi makapasok yung mga gustong pumasok na one shot dito.
Yeah, are they mounted? No. Come north. No, there's still a lot of... Come north. We have cooldowns. Come north. Yo, get ready. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Kill this. Oh, yeah, sige. Ay, come south.
Pinuhos na nila yung hold.
Yo, nandito na yung wata. We out. We're technically not allied with them. So we out. Mount up. Tayo na, matapang pala kayo guys eh.
Siyempre,
One casualty.
pag sinabi mo.
Si Otob lang casualty. Casualties.
Get object good.
Get good. Hindi, lumabas dito, wala nang mog to. Sabi ba naman lang, nilakad na ng pateri nila eh.
Come southwest guys.
Sayang yung sa bomb squad nila, kapos eh. Hindi nabot ng bato.
Farmables.
Declare ka na ba?
Toro!
So,
Baka mag-defend sila ulit, di nyo alam, diba?
tama.
We have time pa naman. We have extra food.